Hi guys, good morning to you, good morning to everyone, to our international partners and friends. I am Salazar from Agusan del Sur, Philippines. I am here to tell you our plumbing company, the common issues in most plumbing companies, and how do we face it. Our company name is Happy Home Plumber, established December 14, 1998. So we are now 24 years in the industry already. Right now, Happy Home Plumber is operating in over 100 countries all over the world. We have 24 international branches and more than 100 business center offices here in the Philippines. So now, you may ask, how do we face the common issues in most plumbing companies? The first issue is the plumber attitude. In Happy Home Plumber Company, we assure you that all of our plumber are always punctual, and being on time is associated with their work attitude. Second, the qualities of plumber. All plumber in Happy Home Plumber Company are highly experienced. Before they can proceed to become an officially worker in our company, we conduct a several tests for them to make sure that they are expert in this kind of work. And we also trained our plumber in communication skills. Our plumber will listen attentively and understand the problem. In this way, we can make our clients feel comfortable. For more detailed information, kindly visit www.happyhomeplumber.com. Thank you!